everybody. This is Ken and Robert. We're riding along. We just left a inspection, and I'm trying to manage this little camera here so I can make sure that I see everything. Hey, watch out, Robert! Don't hit that guy right there. Anyway, we're sitting here driving along, and like I said, we just left an inspection. And one of the things that Robert just got off the roof, so he's sitting there, I said, man, you drive, shoot. You go ahead on and do the driving, man, since you did the hard work. So anyway, one of the questions we were talking about, or one of the issues that we were talking about was this one customer. He had a 2% deductible. Mm-hmm. And apparently that's an issue with a lot of our customers here lately. Everybody's trying to save money, as much money as they can on their insurance premiums. So because of that, people are starting to take those higher deductibles.
Yeah, sure, especially in this region here in Texas. A lot of homeowners, actually everybody here, if they've gotten a policy after 2008, are on percentage deductibles. And we run into a lot of homeowners that have 2% deductibles. Just like the house that I just got finished inspecting, $250,000 house. So they have a 2% deductible, so their deductible's $5,000. So that's a pretty high deductible. A lot of people don't have $5,000 just sitting around.
Exactly.
And if you do, more power to you. But that's not the average individual.
Right.
So a lot of times what we tell homeowners before they get that deductible, or we run into them and we see they have these policies, the difference between having a 1% and 2% deductible, a lot of people don't know, it's not that much money, a couple of $100 per year.
Right.
Of course, that depends on your insurance company.
Right.
But normally, it's not that big of a difference as far as the premium goes. But
exactly.
When an event happens, you definitely want to have a lower deductible.
Exactly.
In the case something happens.
Right.
A lot of policies are structured that have two types of deductibles. One deductible being if you had a leak in your house or something like that, your dishwasher malfunctions and it leaks on your floor. Usually that would be one set deductible, normally 1%.
Right.
Then you have a wind and hail deductible, which is typically double that 1% amount of, normal events happening in your home.
Right.
A wind and hail deductible would normally be 2%.
Gotcha.
And then you have a catastrophe deductible, which if a hurricane hits and it's a category 2 or 3 hurricane, you're going to have a double deductible on top of that, which would probably be around 4%.
Right.
So,
and those numbers are hard to deal with, especially when you're already stressed out from that, and then you get a check from your insurance company, which in most cases is going to be half of it, and then you've got your deductible to deal with on top of all the other things. So with that being said, like Robert said, you got a $250,000 home for a roof situation. You're sitting on $5,000 up front. But one thing about it is we've looked at the options that are available to a lot of the homeowners these days, and one of them is getting help with that initial payment, that deductible. We've got a couple of lending institutions that we're doing business with that will make this hit less hard on the pocketbook, where we're able to offer financing for some of our clients, and the credit requirements aren't as strict as they would be if you were going to a bank saying, hey, look, I need the money.
Definitely.
So this is one of the things we wanted to bring to light, and we'll get more extensively into it. But we just wanted to make a little video, and this is a beginning. This will be the beginning of a series that we're going to be doing, just to kind of give the homeowners some options or some things to talk about. So we're signing off, and we'll see you later. Hey, Robert, don't hit that guy. Wait a minute, hold up, stop.